So, you're using infrastructure as code. Maybe you even use Terraform. And you want to know that your changes are aligned with the company policies and security guidelines. But how you can achieve that? Here, in env0, we got your back. You can easily integrate TFSec, Open Policy Agent, and Checkov, or maybe any other tool that you want to help you achieve the best infrastructure as code you can think of. My name is Eran Elbaz, and let me show you how. Jumping into env0, I've created this S3 template that creates S3 bucket. But my problem is that I'm using public read ACL, and as we know, this isn't the best way to execute S3 template. And because I'm responsible to each and every deployment in env0, I want to make sure that everyone's standing in the company policies and no one makes mistakes. And for that, if I go to project settings, policies, I can enable custom flow to each and every deployment in env0. In this case, I've integrated my Git repository and the path to my env0 YAML. And as we can see, in the before Terraform plan, I want to execute Checkov. For that, we've created Checkov plugin that installs and executes Checkov for you, and this will be the name, as you can see in a minute, in env0 deployment. So let's deploy and see what's happened. Now, jumping forward, as we can see, I didn't add any custom flow to my template. I have only main Terraform file, but my deployment failed since Checkov test, which we integrate for the entire project, failed. And as we can see, I have many problems, and thankfully env0 got my back. Now, before I'm going to show you how you can make your own env0 plugin, drop in the comment section down below what is your favorite plugin to use with Terraform deployment, or actually with any infrastructure as code deployment. And in order to create env0 plugin, you need to make one file, which is env0plugin.yaml. Here you need to add the name and the inputs that your plugin will get. As you can see, I'm getting a text, in this case the text to echo, because my plugin will only run echo for the input text. If we want to see some more complex one, which is the Checkov plugin one, you can see that here we have also env0 plugin. We get the input directory and flags, and we exec pip install for Checkov, and we exec Checkov with directory flag and any other flag that we might pass to this plugin. So we can integrate this one the same way we did with the Checkov plugin. We need to specify the Git repository that we want to clone the plugin from. And that was it. Have fun with env0. Make sure that your deployments stay within the company policies and security guidelines. Bye bye.